Hello, today we will guide you through how to draw support and resistance lines in ThinkorSwim. We'll start inside the ThinkorSwim platform. Once the app is open and your account is loaded, go to the charts area so you're looking at a price chart. Click on the chart to make it active. If you're not sure which stock or ETF you're viewing, look at the symbol box near the top and confirm it. Choose a sample symbol you want to analyze by typing its ticker in the symbol field and pressing enter. It's helpful to pick a time frame that matches your trading style, but whatever you choose, the drawing process is the same. Now right-click on the chart to open the context menu. From the menu, choose Add Drawing. Next, select Price Level. This is the horizontal line tool that fixes at a single price level across your chart, perfect for support and resistance. With the tool active, move your cursor to a spot where price has reacted multiple times and click once to place the line. For support, place the line near a floor where price has bounced. For resistance, place it near a ceiling where price has stalled. You can create more than one line by repeating the process, marking the key zones your chart reveals. To fine-tune a line, hover over it until you see the grab handles, then click and drag to nudge it to the exact price. Right-clicking the line lets you edit properties like color, thickness, and style, or add a label with the exact price value. Many traders use one color for support and another for resistance, so the chart reads at a glance. Remember, these levels are zones, not perfectly precise numbers. If price repeatedly touches an area within a small range, place your line roughly through the middle of those touches. If a candle briefly wicks through the level but closes back inside the zone, it can still be valid. Focus on clusters of reactions. If your chart looks crowded, zoom out to see more history and confirm the importance of your lines. Zoom back in to refine placement. If you misplace a line, simply select it and press delete. Then add a new one. When you're finished, your chart should display clear horizontal markers that extend to the right, making it easy to spot potential bounce or breakout areas as new data prints. That's it. Open the app, activate the chart, pick a symbol, right-click to add a drawing, choose price level, and click to draw. Thanks for watching, and happy charting.